Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is ableism. 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 Ableism is a term used to describe discrimination, prejudice, or bias against individuals with disabilities. It encompasses negative attitudes, stereotypes, and discriminatory practices directed at people with disabilities, often leading to unequal treatment and barriers in various aspects of life. Examples: 1. Employment discrimination, when a qualified job applicant with a disability is not hired solely because of their disability, it is an example of ableism in the workplace. 2. Inaccessible facilities, public spaces, buildings, or transportation that are not designed to accommodate individuals with disabilities exhibit ableism by limiting their access. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.